Hello and welcome to the Manoa contact book. This website is designed so that you may store information in a database and that you may search for the individuals stored in the database later by various key terms. So, with any normal contact book, you want to start by filling it out. Well, if you fill it out with your name, let's say with hey, bye from Greetings Avenue, a phone number being some random number, and we hit submit, the page will say that we have been successfully added to the contact book. So what this means is, hey, bye from Greetings Avenue with this phone number has been added to the database. What happens, however, if we do not add anything to any of the fields and hit submit? What we get are these errors which are based off of what haven't been filled out. If we only partially fill it out with only some information, it will give an error message as to what is missing still. The next most important part of a contact book is searching for the individual. Well, let us search by our first name, or their last name, or address, or phone number. You may do either one, and it will find anyone that has the same first name, the same last name, the same address, or the same phone number. If we try to search for our guy named Hey, we encounter a problem, because I could not figure out how to fix this. The original intention of this program was to be able to search for any of these individuals and get a list of how they looked. Taking a look at the code, it was supposed to be a pretty simple contact book for the first main page. Normal, simple design, just a few titles, all of the required fields marked true, meaning that they have to be filled out, otherwise they give out an error message. And here is when you'd search for them, and when you'd search, you'd hit submit, and it'll take you to one of these pages. The response page will be linked to if you enter a correctly filled information and information box, and all of them have been filled out. It'll take you to this page, and it'll say that you've been successfully entered. The DB program just stores the information from the names and adds them to the database, as well as saying that you've been successfully added, which is from the response. It'll actually pop up in the response page. Now we go to our search and search bean pages. These pages are supposed to be for, well, they're not pages, they are programs, and what they're used for is that they search for whatever field that you want it to search for. It's like first name, last name, address, phone number. And what that'll do is it'll link to either one of these pages. And if you go to the page and you search for, say, first name, it will show you a data table that is filled out with everyone whose first name matches what you've entered, along with their last names, their addresses, and their phone numbers. Same would go for last names and addresses and phone numbers. Phone numbers should have the least results because only one person should have a phone number because it is a unique element. Thank you for watching.